I will be providing you with the knowledge on how to walk into your wardrobe and select what to wear in 5 minutes, knowing that you will look your best. How would you like to get dressed without stress for any occasion? During my session, I will be holding an interactive talk on colour and all aspects of style. This includes finding your right undertone, colours to highlight your skin tone, hair colour and eye colour, body shapes and what clothing to choose to flatter your body shape. Register as soon as you can because this workshop is going to be fabulous. I really look forward to seeing you then. Bye.